What is up, ADG traders? This is Munya and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back again with a strategy. We're going to complete this strategy. Remember, I started this series about 3 weeks back and it has been going so well. I've been getting tremendous results of this RSI and the exponential moving average used together, right? So but before I start, I just wanted to say I know there are people that are inboxing me asking for the indicator that I talked about in the previous video. If you haven't watched it, go check it out. Yes, I am creating a platform for you all to be able to easily download it, right? So just be patient with me. I'll definitely respond to your messages. Just be patient. And I'm also creating a platform where you can easily download uh, the indicators to be a great platform for trading, and all my setups you'll also be able to find them there. So just be patient. I'll definitely give you all right. All right, so remember, comment down below. The best comment is going to win a position in the VIP signals group, right? All you have to do is like the video and leave your comment down below. Every Thursday I will be picking up a winner to be in the VIP group, so it might be your chance. All you have to do is like and comment down below. Okay, so right now let's just finish up this strategy. This is the complete part, and I must say it has been well. I've been getting responses from you guys that have watched the strategy. You can watch it from the beginning up to now, but I've been getting great results. Yes, it's not 100% strategy, but you do have a statistical advantage with this strategy. You're not going to win 100% of the time, but you are going to maximize your wins. So remember, this is a spike catching strategy, and last time we talked about this SRA, and we talked about these EMAs, the simple one and the exponential one, these moving averages. Sorry. So right now I'm going to give you the complete section of this strategy, the complete section of this strategy. So remember, we have our SRA with period 14 and a blank chart, right? So let's get right into it. The other way we can use our dynamic relative strength index. Remember, the SRA is an indicator that measures the momentum and the speed of the price. Basically, that's what the relative strength index is. It measures the momentum and speed of price, right? So we want to use this as a way of catching spikes. So I'm on crash 1000 1 minute time frame. My zoom is the max I can get. Sorry, the max I can get, or maybe just a little bit so that you can see clearly. But when you're using it, you can be, as long as you can see these as sort of like proper lines. Okay, let me show you what I mean. Isn't it, if I do this, you start to see these curves. You're not supposed to see them, so you're supposed to zoom up to a point where they disappear, like this. You get it? So now here's the other part. I know you're going to I'm going to do a compilation of using both, but today I'm just going to do the third part, and then next week we do the compilation of using the SRA and the moving averages all together to maximize our statistical edge, right? So here's what you do. On crash, we are going to use the resistance, right? On boom, you'll be using the support. So what do? You identify a point. Let's say you open the market, you open your charts, then you are here. Let's say here. So you identify 2 or 3 points that you can draw a resistance line. Isn't it? We can all draw a resistance line. A resistance line is basically a point where we believe price is bouncing down towards, right? The ceiling. Price is failing to break that. So once we have two points, we can easily draw a straight line connecting those points, something like this. So you can draw up to maybe anywhere, as long as your computer can do that, right? What you will do now is, isn't it, you have this point, you have this point, and then the market is moving. When this SRA is now approaching this line, you are now going to enter into a sell, right? Once you see that price is now close to my line, to my resistance level, I'm going to enter into a sell. This is using price action from Promain crash to catch spikes. You're going to enter into a sell. So basically, if you had drawn this line and this line, it means you would enter into a sell at roughly this point, which is here. And then we're here, right? Then 1, 2, 3, 4. The fifth candle was a spike and you're in profit. And then likely you would have got double spikes, right? So same concept. You go anywhere on the chart. Let me just look for anywhere on the chart. These are trades that I was taking. This one was a good one. As you can see, I drew this point and this point, and then I drew the straight line, and then I sold here, and then I sold at this level. And then see down, I got my nice spike there. This is pretty easy, guys. You're basically using price action. You know price action is really wrong. Price action is never wrong if done correctly. Price action is never wrong when it's done correctly. Okay? Price action is never wrong when it's done correctly. I'm now starting to see these curves, which means I don't have a proper zoom. I'm just gonna, yes. So the trick on the zoom, I know most of the guys are going to be asking me, what zoom do we use? Basically, you don't have to have curves, like I was saying. These curves, you don't have to have them. So make sure they're cleared out by zooming. Again, I just draw my line, 2 points, I connect 2 points, I sell at this point. I sell when my price. Guys, I have so many students that are using this strategy, and I'm telling you, I've back tested it. Could have sold here, double spike, luckily enough, but you are supposed to just catch one spike. If it's double, make sure there are no retracements like this, right? And then you jump out, you get your spike. So if you done correctly, guys, I know I have students that use this, okay? But no strategy is 100% accurate. As you can see here, we could have get 2 points and you fail to break, and then at this point maybe you'd sell, and then the spike never came early. But as you can see, if you were holding this position, eventually you would be in profit, you see. But let's just count it as a fail. Let's just count it as a fail. But clearly, if you had held, you could have recovered your money, because probably you would end at this point. Then we're here, right? So somewhere here. And then you see the spike later came, but maybe it might be long. So this strategy, you can use it in a 1 minute time frame. You can even go to the 1 hour time frame. The 1 hour time frame is where you really get the most money, because you'll be rarely wrong with this price action strategy. It works even on boom. You can have examples, but this time, remember, on boom you're using support. On boom you're using support because our spike goes up on boom. Our spike goes up on boom. So you're drawing your line below your RSI. You're drawing your line below, sorry. You're drawing your line below your RSI. Guys, I need people that can backtest this. Send me results. I'll always attend to you. Send me results. Ask me questions on this. I'm creating a platform for you guys. Just be patient on the indicator that I talked about. I am going to be giving you guys for free on that platform. And if you want a chance to be mentored by me, contact me. If you want a chance to be in the VIP group for free, just like and comment down below. I'm going to pick a person each and every Thursday. Each and every Thursday, I'll be picking the best comment. So make sure you have your comment set. Make sure you have your comment set. If you haven't subscribed, that's an obvious thing. You have to subscribe and turn on your notification bell. right? All right, guys. I think that will be all. I'm going to compile this strategy. I'm going to compile this strategy for everything because it was a long strategy. Remember, we had the RSIs with the divergence happening on RSI, all those stuffs, right? But we ended up with what do you call? We ended up with, look at this point, point, price approaches this line. Look at this big spike. Look at this big spike. Even if you had entered here, because price was already approaching. So let's say you entered somewhere here when price started to really approach this line. Look at this spike. Look at this spike that we would have got. So you can even move to higher time frames. It still works. It still works to higher time frames. Please forgive me for not responding early. I'm working on something. I will respond. Do not lose hope. I will respond to your messages. I'm here to trade with you guys. Go follow me on Instagram. I'll be doing live trading sessions on these. I'm just waiting to have a couple of people ready. So let's get to 2,000 followers on Instagram, and I'll start the live trading sessions. Go follow and wait for me. Help me if you can. Help me if you can. Like my pictures. I like the motivation. Subscribe. Let's reach to 15,000 subscribers. Let's grow, guys. Let's grow. I will help you in every possible way, right? So I'm gonna end here. I think maybe let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Might want to see something there. You might want to see something there. Okay. It's a simple theory, but when the 1 hour time frame now, remember you're not trading, you're not taking long trades. You're not taking long trades. You're no longer catching spikes. Okay, so maybe let me just stick to catching spikes. Let me just stick to catching spikes since this strategy was all about catching spikes. Even the title will be catching spikes, right? Let me just keep to that. Let me just stick to that. Let me just stick to that. Okay, let me show you something else here. Okay, could have ended at this point. Break even here. So the spike will always come. There will be a little manipulation, but I don't know. I can even say 9 times out of 10, this strategy will be accurate. This strategy will be accurate 9 times out of 10. So that is up. Next Friday, I have the compilation of everything on this strategy. I'll bring it out to you. Thursday, remember, I'll be picking the best comment and adding that person to the VIP group. If you want to be in the VIP group for free, just like the video and give me the best comment down below. All right, guys, that is up for today. Next time.